Okay guys, it's the first time. That means to share reviews. Good, I'll be reviewing episode 4 of season 2 of Master of Home. This episode tonight is it's Soundlord. This one is directed by Brett Anderson, or once again Mark Garrett, Brett Anderson and Mark Driscoll. And it stars nicely on the character Larry Perry, played by Chris Barrow. Yeah, he played Andy in True Blood. And his wife, Brenda, played by Laura Nicholas. Like I mentioned, this is always focuses on him. The plot: deeply affected by a personal tragedy, an other's drone comes to realize his sense of hearing has taken an extraordinary capability that could drive him insane. You know what? Anything that no other person can hear. And he just wants everything just to be quiet. This is a weird story. Pros and cons, will we imagine? What can I really say about this? Well, the acting is good. Chris very well, he's Larry and does a good job. He's mostly the main actor. Cause his wife Brenda will get it from time to time. She has to like act, we don't embarrass her at all. The insanity of Larry out of course of the story. He basically gets more crazy as she goes. She meshes things up to make things quiet. And then what does to himself at the end? He finally can't hear anything. Well, what's the episode to know what I'm talking about? He found out his wife as well. Why she's not in the last act? My character is basically people in his office place. And then it's on that. Get the initial story, but it's not that one. That kills. And that's what could be mad about him. But all I can mention is he focuses on his sanity and eventually insanity grows. Because the sound he hears. So once you mention again, take what's the episode and I want to talk about. Comes basically, it feels more like a Tower Crypt type of story. And then it comes that kill. But he won. But off screen. But his wife is basically the kill. Because you didn't know what happened to her. until you find maggots right by the facts at the end of the story. Still could even could be told better. Due only be 15 minutes long. Could have been more added to it. Yeah. Why all sound is loud, and sometimes sound is not loud. And sometimes you experience nothing. Everything's normal. We should try to get away from things, particularly going to the library. Doesn't know either. I'll just watch the episode and I'll talk about. I don't want to get into too much into spoilers. Just don't expect much from this. We recommend it. We all watch it. Well, like a good shirt, so definitely return this from time to time. Definitely not one I would tend to all time do. Recommend? Well, yeah, like much as a whole. Don't expect much. It's not no gory. And then we'll go what the live does himself at the end of the story. You don't hear, and then hear what happened afterwards. No? My score. 6 out of 10. This was okay. Not the greatest, not the best. I said the story could be flawed. It could have been told better. Here we come to the sounds and stuff. 1, 2 is 1. So on and so on. Would I recommend it? To those who, that's not sorry. Those who might have seen this episode, I'd like to hear your thoughts. And like this episode, give me a like and a comment. Also, those who might not have seen one of my episodes, TV episodes before on Thursday, give me a like and comment. And comment just for it. Well, to all the best. Take care. And wish everyone to keep it safe. Until we're alone. Bye for now. Peace.